Have you ever picked up your Braun Series 7 shaver, pushed the trimmer up, and realized it just won't stay in place? Maybe it feels loose, refuses to fold back down, or has even fallen off completely. At first, it looks like the entire shaver is damaged, and many people assume they need to buy a brand new one. But what if the problem is actually caused by one small part that can be replaced in just a few minutes? Before you spend money on another shaver, let me ask you one question. Would you rather replace a small trimmer attachment yourself, or replace the entire shaver unnecessarily? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove the damaged trimmer, prepare the shaver correctly, install the new replacement, and avoid the common mistakes that prevent the new trimmer from fitting properly. Make sure you watch until the end, because one tiny detail during installation can make the difference between a perfect repair and having to start all over again. The first thing you need to do is slide the trimmer into its fully open position. This gives you better access to the locking mechanism that holds the trimmer in place. Don't try to remove it while it's closed, because that can make the process more difficult and may even put unnecessary pressure on the surrounding plastic. Opening it completely gives you the safest and easiest starting point. Next, grab a small flathead jeweler's screwdriver or another thin, flat tool that can fit into the narrow opening. Carefully place the tip just above the release button, where you'll notice a slightly curved section of the housing. You don't need to force the tool inside. Instead, gently work it into the gap until it sits securely. Once it's in position, give the screwdriver a light twist. You should feel the trimmer begin to lift. Avoid using excessive force because the plastic housing can crack if too much pressure is applied. Once the trimmer pops up, carefully lift it away from the shaver. Take a close look at the old part before moving on. If the trimmer broke while it was attached, small pieces of plastic may still be stuck inside the mounting area. These broken fragments are easy to overlook, but they can cause problems later during installation. Even a tiny piece left behind can stop the replacement trimmer from sliding into its proper position. Before installing the new trimmer, inspect the inside of the mounting area carefully. Remove every loose piece of broken plastic, dust, or debris that may have collected inside. You can use tweezers, a small brush, or the tip of your screwdriver to clean the area gently. The goal is to create a completely clear path for the new trimmer. Taking an extra minute here can save you from struggling with the installation later. Now it's time to prepare the replacement trimmer. If you look closely, you'll notice small spring arms on each side of the new assembly. These springs are an important part of the mechanism because they help the trimmer move smoothly and lock into position. Before sliding the trimmer into the shaver, make sure each spring is tucked underneath the silver metal section exactly as intended. If a spring is sitting on top instead of underneath, the trimmer won't install correctly. If one of the springs is sticking out, use the tip of your small screwdriver to guide it gently underneath the metal piece. Work slowly and carefully. You don't want to bend or damage the spring because it's designed to apply the correct amount of tension. Once both springs are positioned properly, double-check that nothing is blocking the trimmer's path before continuing. Now begin sliding the new trimmer into the opening. It should move smoothly for the first part of the installation. As you continue pushing, you'll probably notice some resistance. This is completely normal and doesn't necessarily mean anything is wrong. Many people stop here and assume the replacement part doesn't fit, but that's usually not the case. When you reach that point of resistance, simply flip the trimmer into its open position while continuing to guide it downward. This changes the alignment of the internal mechanism and allows the trimmer to move into its final position. Apply steady, even pressure instead of forcing it. The trimmer should slide all the way down until it sits securely at the bottom of the housing. Finally, test the repair before putting the shaver back into regular use. Open and close the trimmer several times to make sure it moves freely and locks into place properly. It should feel smooth, secure, and stable without excessive movement. If everything operates normally, the replacement has been installed successfully, and your Braun Series 7 shaver is ready to use again. By following each step carefully and paying attention to the small details, especially cleaning out broken plastic and positioning the springs correctly, you can complete this repair quickly without replacing the entire shaver. A few minutes of careful work can restore full functionality and help extend the life of your shaver for years to come.